Hi children, hello buddies. See, we are back to our class. See, now we are going to see about verb. What? Verb. See, verb. What is verb? Children, what is verb? Have you heard about this? Huh? This verb is, that is action word, right? See, you are doing some action, no? Yes, by your body. That is named as what? Verb, right? So, what is verb? Verb is nothing but action words, that is doing words, right? So whatever you are doing by your body, yes, you are acting something, no? So that is named as what? Verb, right? So we are going to learn about verb, right? So verb is nothing but what? Action words. See, let me do some actions, right? See here, what is this? I'm clapping, right? So this is one type of action. Yes, I'm doing action in my hands, right? See, now I'm shaking my head, right? So this is one action. Yes, I'm acting, right? So see here. See, I'm shaking my hands, right? So this is one type of action, right? See what I'm doing? I'm sleeping, right? So this is also an action. Yes, so this is also an action. So sleeping is also an action, right? See. So what I'm doing now? Writing. I'm writing something. Yes, see, I'm writing something. See. So what I'm doing? So I'm writing on the board, right? So this is a action, right? So this is also an action. Yes, I'm reading now. See, he is playing football. He is playing football. So what I'm doing now? I'm reading. So this is an action. So these are all an action, right? So whatever we are doing by our body, yes, that will comes in the verb, right? So action words are nothing but verb, right? So verb is named as what? That is action word, doing word, or named as what? Verb, right? So let us see the verb, right? See, I have given the sentences. See here, we have to find it and write. See, write it in this floor, right? So these things are the verbs. I have given some sentences in the leaves. See, so we should find out the concerned verb, right? So after that, we should write it in this floor. Let us do that. Come, let's do that. He is playing football. He is playing football. This is a sentence complete with complete meaning. Yes. So we are going to find out the main verb, that is verb, action word in the sentence, and we have to write it in this floor, right? So what is the verb acting in this sentence? See, look at the sentence. He is playing football. He is a subject. This is a helping verb. And playing is what? Playing is an action, right? So playing is what? Playing is a verb, right? So I have to write where? I have to write here, right? So playing. Playing is an action, right? So here, find out the verb here in this sentence. Deepak is eating puri, right? So eating, yes. So Deepak is eating puri, right? So eating, see, I'm doing. So eating, I'm eating. Yes, so Deepak is eating puri. Here, what is the verb? Eating is an, that is eating is an action verb, right? So eating is a verb, right? So I have to write what? Eating. So eating is a verb. Next, find out the verb in this sentence. Sheila is singing a song. Sheila is singing a song. So what she is doing? What she is doing, Sheila? Yes. So Sheila is singing. So singing is a action word. So she is doing what? That is action in singing. Yes, while singing. Yes. So singing is an action. So singing is a verb. Singing, right? So singing is a verb in this sentence, right? Let us see here. Look at this sentence. I'm writing a letter. I'm writing a letter. See what I'm doing? I'm writing a letter. Yes. So writing is a verb. Yes, writing is an action word. So writing is a verb. So what I should do here? I should write writing as a verb in this flower. So writing. Writing is a verb. Yes? Then look at the sentence. That is last sentence. My mother is cooking. See what my mother is doing? My mother is cooking. Yes, she is in cooking work, right? So she is doing something that is in kitchen, right? So she is what doing? She's doing, that is doing something for food. Yes, cooking, preparing for, that is food. Yes, we have to eat, no? So she is in cooking. So my mother is cooking, right? So here cooking is a verb. Yes. So I have to write cooking as a verb here. Cooking. Yes. See, I have written here, right? So cooking is a verb in this sentence. Yes. So these are all the verb. See, keep it in your mind, children. See, whatever you are doing by your body, that is whatever you are giving action by your body, that will consider what? That is verb. That will be named as what? Verb. So verb is nothing but what? Doing words or action words. Yes. So these are all the verb. Yes. Have you all got it? Yes. Just go through it. Just recall it. Capture it. These things. Right? Yes. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.